Hello students, today's topic is computer terminology. Students, if you want to qualify any examination, four things always remember. First is syllabus, second is static and current affairs, third is previous year and mock test, and the fourth is rating. Let us start today's lecture. Here are some computer related terminology. First is CPU, Central Processing Unit, the brain of the computer that performs instruction and processing tasks. Second is RAM, Random Access Memory, temporary memory where data is stored for quick access by the CPU while a computer is running. Hard drive, HDD or SDD, a storage device that holds data, software, and operating system. Operating system, OS, software that manages hardware and provides common service for computer programs. For example, Windows, Mac, OS, Linux. Software, programs and applications that run on a computer. For example, Microsoft Word web browser. Network, a group of connected computers that share resources and information. IP address, a unique identifier assigned to each device connected to a network. Firewall, security system that monitors and controls incoming and outgoing network traffic. Database, organized collection of data that can be accessed and managed. Virus, malicious software designed to disable, damage, or gain unauthorized access to system. Bandwidth, the amount of the data that can be transmitted over a network in a given amount of time. Browser, software that allows users to access and view websites, for example Chrome, Firefox. Encryption, converting data into a code to prevent unauthorized access. Motherboard, the main circuit board connects the computer's components including central processing unit, CPU, random access memory, RAM, and storage. Firmware, permanent software programmed into a device's hardware. Network, a group of connected computers that share resources and data. IP address, a unique identifier for each device connected to a network. Domain name, a human readable address of a website, for example www.example.com. Browser, a software application for accessing information on the web, for example Chrome, Firefox. URL, Uniform Resource Locator, the web address is used to allocate a resource on the internet. Firewall, a security system that controls incoming and outgoing network traffic. Malware, malicious software designed to harm or exploit system. Antivirus, software designed to detect and remove malicious software. Cache, a temporary storage area for frequently accessed data for fast retrieval. Cloud computing, using remote servers on the internet to store, manage, and process data. Server, a computer software that provides resources to other computers, clients over a network. Let us see 20 MCQs related to computer terminology. Question number 1. What does CPU stands for? A. Central Programming Unit. B. Central Processing Unit. C. Central Computer Processing Unit. D. Core Processing Unit. The correct answer is B. Central Processing Unit. Let us see the explanation. The CPU or Central Processing Unit is the part of a computer that performs most of the processing inside the system, executes instructions from programs and control other hardware components. Let's move to the question number 2. Which type of memory is temporary and stores data for quick access by the CPU? A. Hardware drive. B. Solid state drive. C. RAM. D. Firmware. The correct answer is C. RAM. RAM, Random Access Memory, is a temporary volatile memory that stores data and instructions that are actively being used by the CPU When the computer is turned off, data in RAM is lost. Let's move to the question number 3. What is the primary function of an operating system OS? A. To store user data permanently. B. To manage hardware resources and provide an interface for users. C. To perform calculation quickly. D. To connect computers in a network. The correct answer is B. To manage hardware resources and provide an interface for users. Let us see the explanation. The operating system manages the computer's hardware resources such as the CPU, memory, and storage, and provides an interface like a graphical user interface or command line for users to interact with the system. Let's move to the question number 4. Which device is used for long-term storage of data? A. RAM, B. CPU, C. SSD, or D. Firewall. The correct answer is C. SSD. SSD stands for solid state drive. Is used for long-term storage of data, unlike RAM, which is temporary. SSDs are faster and more reliable than traditional hard disk drives, HDDs. Let's move to the question number 5. What is the purpose of a firewall? To increase internet speed. B. To prevent unauthorized access to or from a network. C. To store backup data. D. To remove virus from the computer. The correct answer is B. To prevent unauthorized access to or from a network. Let us see the explanation. A firewall is a security system that monitors and controls incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predetermined security rules, acting as a barrier between a trusted internal network and untrusted external network. Let's move to the question number 6. Which of the following is an example of cloud computing? A. Storing files on your computer's hard drive. B. Saving data on a USB stick. C. Accessing files from Google Drive over the internet. D. Installing software directly on your PC. The correct answer is C. Accessing files from Google Drive over the internet. Let us see the explanation. Cloud computing involves storing and accessing data and applications over the internet rather than from local storage like a hard drive or USB stick. Google Drive is an example of a cloud-based system. Let's move to the question number 7. What does IP in IP address stands for? A. Internal protocol. B. Internet protocol. C. Input processing. D. Interconnected program. The correct answer is B. Internet protocol. IP stands for Internet Protocol, which is the set of rules governing the format of data sent over the internet or a local network. An IP address uniquely identifies a device on a network. Let's move to the question number 8. Which of the following describes malware? A. Software that helps manage computer hardware. B. Software designed to protect system from virus. C. Malicious software that harms or exploits system. D. Software used to manage database. The correct answer is C. Malicious software that harms or exploits systems. Let us see the explanation. Malware is a malicious software designed to damage, disrupt, or gain unauthorized access to computer systems such as viruses, worms, or ransom. Let's move to the question number 9. What is the purpose of encryption? A. To increase storage capacity. B. To prevent unauthorized access to data by encoding it. C. To speed up data transfer over the internet. D. To organize files into folders. The correct answer is B. To prevent unauthorized access to data by encoding it. Let us see the explanation. Encryption involves converting data into a coded form so that only authorized users with the correct key can decode and access it, protecting the data from unauthorized access. Let's move to the question number 10. What is the role of a server in a network? A. To process data. B. To provide server and resource to other computers. C. To monitor network traffic. D. To store temporary files. The correct answer is B. To provide services and resource to other computers. Here is the explanation. A server is a computer or software that provides services, data, or resources to other computers, clients in a network, such as file storage, web hosting, or running application. Let's move to the question number 11. Which component connects all other parts of a computer system together? A. CPU, B. Motherboard, C. Hard drive, D. RAM. The correct answer is motherboard. Explanation. The motherboard is the main circuit board of a computer. It connects all the components including the CPU, RAM, storage device or peripheral device, enabling them to communicate with each other. Let's move to the question number 12. What does URL stands for? A. Universal Resource Locator, B. Uniform Resource Locator, C. Unified Resource Link, D. Unique Resource Locator. Sorry. The correct answer is B. Uniform Resource Locator. A URL, Uniform Resource Locator, is the address used to access resources on the internet, such as website or files. Let's move to the question number 30. Which of the following is a type of non-volatile memory? A. RAM, B. cache, C. ROM, and D. registers. The correct answer is C. ROM, ROM, read-only memory, is a non-volatile memory, meaning it retains data even when the computer is turned off. It typically stores the firmware that boots the system. Let's move to the question number 14. What is the main difference between HDD and SSD? A. HDD is faster than SSD. B. SSD has not moving parts, while HDD uses a spinning disk. C. HDD is smaller in size than SSD. D. SSD is more prone to physical damage than HDD. The correct answer is B. SSD has no moving parts, while HDD uses a spinning disk. A solid-state drive, SSD, has not moving parts, making it faster and more durable than a traditional hard disk drive, which uses a spinning disk to read-write data. Let's move to the question number 15. Which of the following is considered volatile memory? A. Hard drive, B. SSD, C. RAM, D. ROM. The correct answer is RAM. Random access memory is volatile memory, meaning its contents are lost when the power is switched off. Let's move to the question number 16. Which of the following is an example of system software? A. Microsoft Word, B. Google Chrome, C. Linux, D. Adobe Photoshop. The correct answer is C. Linux. Linux is an operating system, which is a type of system software that manages hardware resources and provides services for running application software like Microsoft Word and Google Chrome. Let's move to the question number 17. What is the function of a cache in a computer? A. To store long-term data. B. To temporarily store frequently accessed data from faster retrieval. C. To process input and output data. D. To manage internet traffic. The correct answer is B. To temporarily store frequently accessed data for faster retrieval. Let's see the explanation. A cache is a small fast storage area that holds frequently accessed data to improve system performance by reducing access time. Let's move to the question number 18. Which device is responsible for connecting a computer to a network? A. Modem, B. Motherboard, C. GPU, D. Router. The correct answer is A. Modem. A modulator demodulator is a device that converts digital data into analog signals from transmission over a telephone line or cable network, allowing a computer to connect to the internet. Let's move to the question number 19. What type of software is used to organize, store, and retrieve large amount of structured data? A. Firewall, B. Web browsers, C. Database management system, DBMS, D. Operating system. The correct answer is C. Database management system, DBMS. A database management system is software used to create, manage, and interact with databases. It allows users to organize, store, and retrieve data efficiently. Let's move to the question number 20. What does the acronym BIOS stands for? A. Basic Input-Output System. B. Binary Integrated Operation System. C. Built-in Operating System. D. Basic Integrated Output System. The correct answer is A. Basic Input-Output System. BIOS. Basic Input-Output System is a firmware used to perform hardware initialization during the boot process and provides runtime service for operating system and program. Thank you to all students. Hopefully we will meet in the next class. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.